Hello, Dr. G. Today you are going to be an NCAA men's basketball player. So first off, the physical nature of this movement, I'm going to want you to be wearing a basketball jersey, shorts, and basketball shoes. Hold a basketball in your hands. Your right foot will be on a free throw line, with your left foot staggered just behind it. Your stance will be shoulders width apart. Your spine will be upright and straight. Your shooting arm is fixed or is flexed at the elbow. Your shooting arm lines up with your hip, knee, and ankle. The hip lines up with the whole shooting side of your body. Your other arm is also flexed. Your thumbs make a T on the ball with the weight of the ball on your fingertips. Your palms do not touch the ball. The specific environment that you'll be in is you will be playing an away game at Arizona State University. The ASU student section is right behind the hoop, dressed in yellow. They have a curtain of distraction just to the left of the hoop. You do not know what is going to come out from behind the curtain. They have had Olympic athletes like Michael Phelps jump out from behind the curtain and strip down to his Speedo and scream at the free throw shooter. Anything from Big Bird to a man dressed like a baby can be used to distract the shooter. It is very loud, but you feel at home. You have the opposing team and your four brothers lined up around you. They are making some noise as they heckle each other and clean the bottom of their shoes to get more grip. You love playing basketball, and you thrive under pressure. The ref is standing under the hoop with the ball. The ref passes you the ball, and you catch it. You look at the hoop. You focus. And your environment becomes smaller. It is just you and the ball. It is just you, the ball, and the hoop. You focus deeply on the middle of the rim. You can't hear or see the crowd as you focus on the middle of the rim. So next we're going to be going over the type of tasks. You'll have a goal-related task. You have 2 free throws to shoot, and you are down 1 point with 5 seconds remaining in the game. Your goal is to shoot free throws with a high release. The high arcing ball flies with perfect backspin and drops into the hoop. You will need 2 near identical shots in order to win. The timing of this movement goes as follows. You will have 10 seconds for each shot once the ref passes you the ball. You step to the free throw line. Take 3 deep breaths. You wipe the sweat from your hands on your shorts. You make eye contact with the ref and you nod that you are ready for the ball. The ref bounces the ball. You catch the ball and focus on the hoop. Take 3 dribbles. Line up the creases of the ball with your fingertips and thumb. Take a deep breath. Flex your knees and hips, and in one fluid motion, take the first shot with a high release and exhale. The ball arches high with perfect backspin and drops through the hoop. The ref gets the rebound and signals one shot, then passes you the ball again. You look at the hoop as you take a deep breath and dribble the ball 3 times. Line up the creases of the ball with your fingertips and thumb. Take another deep breath. Feel your knees, hips, and in one fluid motion, take the first shot with a high release and exhale. The ball arches high with perfect backspin and drops through the hoop. The next stage will be learning the content of the movement. You'll step to the free throw line. Your feet are staggered, creating a well-balanced base. Your core is tight. Your diaphragm can expand. Take 3 deep breaths. Feel your shoulders, arms, and neck loosen. The ref bounces you the ball. You catch it and focus. You're focused on the ball and the hoop. You dribble 3 times, then hold the ball in your hands. Your mind is at ease. Your focus is on the hoop. Your hips and knees are flexed. You take a deep breath in. Shoot the ball, releasing the ball high with extended fingers. There is perfect backspin, and you know as soon as it leaves your fingertips that it is going in. The ball goes through the hoop, making a swish noise, followed by a tink noise of the net hitting the bottom of the rim. You step forward and give your brothers a quick high five. You put your hand out behind you, and your brother behind you gives you a low 5 without looking. Your team has your back, and they trust you. You step to the line again. You take 3 deep breaths. Feel your shoulders, arms, and neck loosen. The ref bounces you the ball. You are focused on the ball and the hoop. You dribble 3 times, then hold the ball in your hands. Your mind is deeply focused on the hoop. Your hips and knees are flexed. You take a deep breath in. Shoot the ball, releasing the ball high with extended fingers. There is perfect backspin, and you know as soon as it leaves your fingertips that it is going in. The ball goes through the hoop, making a swish noise, followed by a tink noise of the net hitting the bottom of the rim. Finally, we're going to go over the motion of the movement. You just got fouled, and you feel anger and frustration, but you channel that aggression as you focus on the task of shooting. You feel your body calm as you take 3 deep breath. You feel your body calm as you take 3 deep breaths. You feel some fear of losing focus because you know the ASU student section has the curtain of distraction. You dissipate this fear by breathing and focusing on the hoop. You have shot thousands of free throws, so you are confident in your skills. You take the shot believing that it will go in. And finally, the perspective of the person. You see yourself shooting the perfect free throw with a high release and backspin. The ball goes through the hoop. All right, Dr. G, I believe following this, this imagery program will help you to make your free throws and win the game. Thanks so much for watching. Take it easy, man. Peace.